More and more people are wearing face masks these days after the CDC recommended we wear them out in public. I wore one to a store this past weekend. As Channel 3's Aya Galal shows us, they are very easy to make.
There's no need to race to the supermarket or pharmacy to try and buy a mask. There's a good chance you already have the supplies at home to make a cloth face covering. And the best part is you don't need a sewing machine. The CDC says you can use a scarf, a bandana, or a t-shirt. I simply cut an old t-shirt about 7 or 8 inches horizontally, folded it in at the top and bottom. Now you can use rubber bands or hair ties, add those to both sides, then fold them over, and there you go. You've made your own cloth face covering. By covering your face, you're helping protect those around you, especially those who are most vulnerable. Health officials are stressing that people can be contagious before they have coronavirus symptoms and then spread the virus to others. COVID-19 can spread by people interacting closely with one another, whether it be through them speaking, coughing, or sneezing. Dr. Anthony Fauci stresses the cloth face coverings are not a substitute to social distancing.
This is an addendum and an addition to the physical separation, not as a substitute for it.
Some reminders when making your own mask include multiple layers of fabric. Wash it frequently, depending on how often you use it. A washing machine is perfectly fine. Don't touch your eyes, nose, and mouth when removing it. And wash your hands right after taking it off.
And if we're all in this together and we all wear those kind of coverings, we stand a good chance of interrupting some frequency of the unknowing transmission.
Health officials stress they don't want anyone rushing to get surgical or medical masks. Those should be left for healthcare workers. And remember, this is a recommendation, not a requirement. You don't need a cloth face mask for anyone under the age of 2 years old. Aya Galal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.